Hello, good afternoon to everyone. I just want to share my experience before opening this package from Flipkart. I ordered this Mondal nursery coconut plant and I was pretty much surprised to see the size here. And yeah, this is the plant. Okay, plant size they said small, but let us open this. What would be in the package? It is better to record the video, so I am recording this. Yes, see here there was plant inside. Yes, so no issues with that, but this is very really small. But I'll share you my experience once I plan this how it would grow, and I'll give you regular updates. You can just ask in the comments or check for the future updates of how this plant is growing. Okay, I need to test this I purchased for 158 rupees. Let me test this. Yeah, but really surprised with the package size. Now I'm going to plant this. See, there is mud inside. Is this really a coconut plant? I need to check. Okay, yes, I'll be removing this outer cover, the packaging outer cover, and I'll be planting this. And please do comment if anyone knows whether this is really a coconut plant or not. I just want your comments. Please do respond. Please do comment whether this is really a coconut plant or not. Yes, see here, this got some roots also. The only doubt I have is whether this is really a coconut plant or not. What I'm going to do is I'll be just planting this here. Okay, maybe I need to put some mud inside, and I'll be doing, yeah, see here, I just preparing. I thrown some ash here before planting this. Okay, I saw somewhere on the YouTube only, when you plant a coconut plant, it's good if we put some ash into it before planting. So I did that same, and now maybe I can put here and cover with some mud. And if you want updates on this, you can just ask in the comments. Okay, yeah, this is for now.